Is your VIZIO TV showing a black screen, but still has sound? Don't panic. Your screen isn't dead yet. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through real working fixes that can bring your display back to life. No technician needed. Step 1. Power reset the TV. Let's start simple because honestly, this first step alone fixes about 70% of VIZIO black screen issues. We're going to perform what's called a power reset, or a soft discharge reset. First, unplug your TV from the wall completely. Don't just turn it off with the remote. Actually pull the plug out. Now, wait a full 60 seconds. That's important. Don't rush it. During this time, the TV's internal power board is discharging any leftover static electricity. Next, press and hold the power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 30 seconds. This helps drain any residual power stuck in the capacitors. Finally, plug your TV back in directly into a wall outlet, not through a surge protector or extension cord. These can sometimes cause inconsistent power delivery. This simple trick often brings your screen back instantly, especially if the TV was stuck in standby or a firmware loop. Try turning it on again. If you now see the VIZIO logo, you've just fixed it. Step 2. Flashlight test. Okay, if your TV still plays sound but shows no picture, we're going to find out if it's the backlight that's failed. Turn the TV on and grab a flashlight. Even your phone's light will work. Hold it close to the screen and shine directly onto it at different angles. Look closely. If you can see a faint image or the menu moving behind the darkness, that means your backlight isn't working, but your video signal is fine. That's actually good news, because it means your main board is okay. Only the backlight inverter or T-con board might need attention. If you see no faint image at all, then the problem could be deeper, like a mainboard failure. But don't panic. We'll troubleshoot that in the next steps. Step 3. Check HDMI and input. Sometimes the issue isn't the screen at all. It's just a signal or source problem. Unplug all HDMI cables from your TV. Then plug only one cable back into HDMI 1. This is usually the most stable port. Now use your remote to make sure the input source is set correctly. Try switching to another HDMI cable or device, like a streaming stick, console, or laptop. Believe it or not, a faulty HDMI cable or a half-inserted connector can make your TV screen go black while the sound still plays. It's one of the most common but overlooked problems. Once you've reconnected everything firmly, restart both your TV and your connected device. Step 4. Soft factory reset via remote. If your TV screen flashes briefly, or you can barely see the menu under light, this reset might bring it back. Grab your remote and press Menu System Reset and Admin Soft Power Cycle. Your TV will power off and restart automatically. That's normal. If your display is completely dark and you can't see the menu at all, try this blind shortcut. Press and hold the back and OK buttons together for 10 seconds. This command forces a soft firmware reboot, which clears temporary software errors or memory bugs that might cause your screen to go black while sound continues. After a minute, your TV should reboot. And if you see the VIZIO logo again, congratulations, your screen's back to life. And that's it. If your VIZIO TV now shows picture again, hit that like button, drop a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more quick TV fixes and tech tips every week. Thanks for watching. And remember, don't replace your TV until you've tried these steps.